Today I want to show you how I'm sending feedback individually to my kids since I can't walk around and mark on their papers or talk them through things. So in all of my math classes, I'm having students upload a copy of their work. So I'm just going to show you what that would look like. Here's a picture that one of my students has uploaded, and I wait for it to load. You can also see the PDFs I added to the assignment. Once one of those loads, I have Grade with Kami checked, which is a Google program that allows you to mark up a document that a kid puts in. So you'll click the document, you'll hit convert. Some of my kids are putting their pictures into Google Slides or into Google Docs, and then you won't have to convert it. But if it's just a picture, it's going to convert it so that you can then go ahead and write on it if you needed. To click fit page, and I can see in the 3 bars here, I can rotate it, and then I can zoom in and I can see exactly what my student did. At this point, if he missed anything, I would be able to go through and make some notes and say, maybe the decimal needed to be here, and I can make a note to him, or I could come here and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe he needed to put this one in scientific notation. And I can mark up whatever they did wrong. I can then put in my grade and return it. You don't have to return it for them to be able to see what you wrote on Kami. And that way when my student goes in and he opens up the document, he can very easily see if he made any mistakes, what they were. I hope you find this helpful. They do have to have Kami loaded on their computer as well to be able to see your markings, and I've added a video link that Aaron Valdez sent me to help you with that.